Now, moving forward, what is the 6 core values for? As again, sabi sa Maslow, ang baba ay basic needs. Tapos pataas ng pataas yun. Tapos self-identity. Tapos confidence. Tapos self-actualization. You know what self-actualization is? To see higher vision. We were in Singapore and Dato Kenny was talking to us. Bago si boss, si Dato Kenny muna. Sa salas. No? Ano kami? Nakamedyas lang kami. Kasi bawal ang sapatos doon sa bahay nila ni Big Boss. No? Ando sa pinto ang aming mga sapatos. Buti na lang hindi ako nagsuot ng butas ng medyas. No? Anyway. And after Dr. Penny telling about the success in Europe and everything that he was encouraging us to go to Europe, that's the reason why I have a promo to my team. I want to bring them to Europe on August. Those who will qualify. So it's a sacrifice, but it's alright. Diba? May alaga akong golden goose. Iitlog yun ang ginto. Babayaran ko niya. And I'm still thinking of business class or economy by this time. Okay. Now,
Sana all.
lahat tayo pinapapunta ni Dato Kenny sa Europe. To see. Yeah. You want to see us? Ano nangyari? Do you know that Europe is 4 times bigger than the entire Asia?
Wow. Wow.
Yeah. But anyway, I throw out a question to my shame. So because Dato Kenny, I just have a question. Why do you think those countries are growing? And to be honest, we are left behind. Ang ganda ng sagot. Said, you know what he said? You know why? Your country are becoming the way you treat your country.
Yes.
Then, coming home from Singapore, we have to meet our friend in Diamond Hotel. Nag-check-in siya doon para ma-meet kami. Kasi 15 years na kami hindi nakikita. So, we invited them in Aristocrat. No? Kumain kami doon. And while we were talking, he cracked a Filipino joke. How many of you are familiar with Filipino joke? And he noticed that I didn't even smile. And I said, bro, matagal na tayong nakikita. I love you, bro. Kinuwento ko yung kwento ni Dato Ken. Because they are living in Canada. From this time on, bro, I will not put down our fellow Filipino in our country. Guys, if you are truly serious, bringing these core values to the people out there, it is more attractive for them to see this. Make them curious. Why are you attractive in that company? Why do you love this company so much? This is what James Chong is telling me. It's not about what you say. It is the feeling that they will sense in you.
Yes.
Guys, you know why I'm fighting for the day? If all other Asian countries change because of values, Philippines will radically change because of the 6 core values of this company.
Yes. Yes.
And in my age, I'm no longer just thinking about money. We can produce money anytime. We can. Dali lang yan. But if we will have a heart for a country, that Big Boss is fighting for to make Philippines win as number 1. Dapat ganun ang tingin nyo. Kasi ang bababaw natin. Iniisip lang natin yung ating bulsa. But if we widen our vision, if we think of making Filipinos, every leader that you get to become champion, with a higher vision, that's a little 100,000. Sa Pilipinas kami, kumita na ng 60 million, ano ba?
Yeah.
Niisip mo 100,000? My goodness. Huwag ka na sumali sa Riway. Lokal lang sa... Di ba? But it's not about the money, guys. The money will follow if we bring this one to the life of Filipinos. if this becomes the culture of the Philippines, at least 10% of our population, this country will change, radically change, and it will never be the same again from that time on.
Yes.
Let's focus on that, bring that to people. And I can assure you, while bringing that to people, thinking about lines of inviting people to come. For example, linya niya, invite ka pa, wala kang lumalabas, invite ka pa, wala kang lumalabas, invite ka pa. I get this. There's something big boss. When you invite, think of lines. If you want to be Phoenix and make 3.5 billion in that 5 lines, let them invite. Don't worry about the sales, it will come. Because the product is so good. When we go through the procedure of Riway, surely and surely, we will truly win not only money, but we will win in life. Thank you very much.